Welcome, today in front of me POCO F4 and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So I'll just first open the box. And let's open this paper box. Unfortunately we have no hearing earbud, just some paperwork. Here we have the adapter for the headphones, the protective case, and unfortunately we have not here any earbuds. So that is the USB-C cable and the charger brick. So if you want to use them together with your POCO device, you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.